So 2018 RC 350 V6. That's what it sounds like before, guys. Again, your sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 87. Again. All right. 2018 Lexus F Sport RC 350. Look at this thing, got custom wheels, F Sport badge, 2-door coupe. What we got done? Factory converter. Then secondary converters there. Then Lexus's version of an X-Pipe right there. Then we left the resonators on it. She didn't want it too loud. She wanted a little bit of tone, nothing crazy. We did a rear muffler delete there and there. And we finished it off with some sexy purple Netami tips right there, as you guys can see. Really clean, really nice. There'll be a link in the description for them. There and there. To finish it off, angle cut quads. Gives it a really nice sport look. Compared to the over-engineered tip install of this thing. Look at this thing. I don't know why so much detail went into the tip for them to install the tip on this muffler. Look, I swear probably this took like 6 months of engineering just to make this tip fit. And both of them are like that. So remember, if you guys own this car and you want to do any kind of muffler modification, you have to change the tips on it. Which in my opinion, those tips look a lot better anyways. They should have went with the dual tips on each side. Don't you guys agree? Compared to the ugliness of this and the over-engineering of it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, bye. That sounds clean. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. I think that's perfect. I don't think we should do any more. So it's an RC 350 all-wheel drive 2-door coupe. Sexy purple tips. Yeah, muffler delete is the way to go. 101. Got sexy wheels on it. Clean look. Look at this thing. It's nice. She needs a bath, but it's okay. Sexy purple on the side. This really completes the look of this car. Here's the other angle. Very nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. Lexus F Sport RC 350. We did a muffler delete and sexy purple tips to complete the look. And we just did his Grand Cherokee with a Borla S-Type. So you get that. Here she goes. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.